Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Today I am going to teach you back counting 70 to 1. So let's start our math session. Slowly, you have to repeat with me. Are you ready? 70 69 68 67 66 65 64 63 62 61 60 59 58 57 56 55 54 53 52 51 50 49 48 47 46 45 44 43 42 41 40 39 38 37 36 35 34 33 32 31 30 29 28 27 26 25 24 23 22 21 20 19 18 17 16 15 repeat with me 14 13 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Students, please take out your maths notebook and on the left hand side write down date DATE date. Down write down date 9.10.2020. Down write down day. Today day is Friday. Today day is Friday. 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 Today day is Friday. And here on the right hand side, write down classwork C.W. Here in the middle, write down revision REVISION. Revision. Down, write down backward counting BACKWORDCOUNTING. Backward counting. And in the bracket, you have to write down 70 to 1. Now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 columns here. First, you write down tens once. T stand for tens and O stand for ones. Tens down, write down 7, and ones down, write down 0. 70, 70. 70. 70 before what will you write? 69, 69. 69, 69. 69 before what will you write? 68, 68. 68, 68. 68 before what will you write? 6, 7, 67. 6, 7, 67. 67 before what will you write? 6, 6, 66. 6, 6, 66. 66 before what will you write? 6, 5, 65. 6, 5, 65. 65 before what will you write? 6, 4, 64. 64 before what will you write? 6, 3, 63. 63 before what will you write? 6, 2, 62. 6, 2, 62. 62 before what will you write? 6, 1, 61. Now come to the next line. Here you write down where I leave the column, and you have to put the cross sign there. Now come to the second line. Here you write down tens, and in another column you have to write down ones. Tens before tens down you have to write down 6, and ones down you have to write down 0. 60 before what will you write? 5, 9, 59. 59. Then 59 before what will you write? 5, 8, 58. 5, 8, 58. 58 before what will you write? 5, 7, 57. 57 before what will you write? 5, 6, 56. 56 before what will you write? 5, 5, 55. 55 before what will you write? 5, 4, 54. 54 before what will you write? 5, 3, 53. 53 before what will you write? 5, 2, 52. 52 before what will you write? 51, 51. And here you leave the column and you have to put the cross sign. Okay. Now come to the third line. Here write down tens once again. Tens below write 5 and ones below write 0. 50, 50. 50, 50. 50, 50, 50. 50 before what will you write? 49, 49. 49 before what will you write? 48, 48. 48, 48 before what will you write? 47, 47. 47 before what will you write? 46, 46. 46 before what will you write? 45, 45. 45 before what will you write? 44, 44. 44. Then 44 before what will you write? 43, 43. 43. 43 before what will you write? 42, 42. 42. Then down 42 before what will you write? 41, 41. Now again, where you leave the blocks, you have to put the cross sign. Okay class? Now again you have to write down tens and ones. Tens and ones. Now come to the fourth line. Here tens down below. Tens below write 4 and ones below write 0. 40, 40. 40, 40. 40 before what will you write? 39. 39 before what will you write? 38. 38 before what will you write? 37. 37 before what will you write? 36. 36 before what will you write? 35. 35 before what will you write? 34. 34 before what will you write? 33. 33 before what will you write? 32. 32 before what will you write? 31. Now come to the fifth line. Fifth line. Here you write down tens and ones. 31 before what will you write? 30, 30. 30, 30. 30 before what will you write? 29. 29. 29 before what will you write? 28. 28 before what will you write? 27. 27 before what will you write? 26. 26. 26 before what will you write? 25. 25 before what will you write? 24. 24 before what will you write? 23. 23 before what will you write? 29 before what will you write? 24. 24 before what will you write? 23. 23. 23 before what will you write? 22. 22 before what will you write? 21. Now come to the sixth line. Here you write down cross sign where you leave the blocks. Where you leave the blocks, you have to put the cross sign there. Here you write down in 6th line tens and ones again. Tens below write 2 and ones below write 0. 2 0 20. 20 before what will you write? 19. 19 before what will you write? 18. 18 before what will you write? 17. 17 before what will you write? 16. 16 before what will you write? 15. 1 5 15. 15 below what will you write? 1 4 14. 14 before what will you write? 1 3 13. 13 below what will you write? Before 1 2 12. 1 2 12. And here 12 below before what will you write? 1 1 11. Now come to the 7th line, and where I leave the blocks, you have to put the cross sign there. Remember that class, you have to touch the bottom line also. Here you write down again tens and ones. Tens below write 1 and ones below write 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay class? Now again 70 to 11. All are in double digit number, so they come in the place of tens and ones. And 9 to 1, they all are in single digit numbers, so they come in the place of ones column. So class, I think you understand this back counting 70 to 1. So I have here write down same as classwork. Same as classwork. Same as classwork. Same as classwork. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now revise missing number. So let's start. Students, please take out your maths notebook. On the left hand side, write down date. D-A-T-E, date. Down, write date 9.10.2020. Down, write down day. Today is Friday. Friday, Friday. And here write down, right hand side, write down classwork. And in the middle write down revision. 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 Missing number. MISSING. Missing number. In the bracket write down 1 to 50. Okay class. Now first here 1 after what is the missing number here? 2. So you have to write down 2. 2 after what will you write? 3. 3. Here is something missing. 3 after what will you write? 4. 4, 5, 6. 6 after what is missing here? Which number is missing here? 7. 7. Next number 8. Which number is missing here? 9. Here you write down 9. So again we repeat this line, missing number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This line we have completed. Now come to the next line. 11. 11. Which number is missing here? 12. 1, 2, 12. Then next number 1, 3, 13. After 13, which number is missing here? 1, 4, 14. Then 1, 5, 15. 15. After which number is missing? 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. After 16, 17. 17 after which number is missing? 18. 18 after what will you write? 19. 19 after which number is missing? 20. 20. 20. Remember that you have to touch the bottom line also. Okay class. So now 22. Sorry, 21. 21 after what will you write? Which number is missing? 22. 22. 22 after what will you write? 23. 23. Which number is missing here? 24. 24 after what will you write? 25. 25 after what will you write? Which number is missing here? 26. 26 after what will you write? 27. 27 after what will you write? Which number is missing? 28. After what will you write? 29. 29 after which number is missing? 30. 30. Now come to the next line. 31. 31 after which number is missing? 32. 32. Then 33. 33. Then 34 number is missing. Then 35. 35 after which number is missing? 36. 36. 36 after what will you write? 37. 37 after which number is missing? 38. 38 after what will you write? 39 after which number is missing? 40, 40. Then come to the next line. 41, 41 after what will you write? 4 to 42. This number is missing. After what will you write? 4, 3, 43. Now which number is missing? 4, 4, 44. 44 after what will you write? 45. Now which number is missing? 46. Then 47, 48. 48 after what will you write? 49, 49. This number is missing. 49, 49 after what will you write? 50, 50. So again I am repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. I hope you all understand this missing number. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, kids. Have a good day.